Namaste, Vanakkam, Swagatam. A pleasure to have all of you with us. A very special time for all of us where we are sending our love, our healing thoughts to Ammaji. Ammaji is recovering very beautifully. We have been having a very good conversation with her, and the power of prayer is definitely helping her. As a result, we felt today would be a good opportunity for us to invoke, being a Saturday, the great Lord Hanumanji, Hanumanji, the epitome of Bhakti Yoga, and Divya Priya Bhavanani, Ammaji's granddaughter, Swamiji's granddaughter, and my little big boss daughter. She will be singing the Hanuman Chalisa and explaining it to us. So without taking too much of her time, I would like to once again welcome you all to this healing prayer session where we'll be singing the Hanuman Chalisa. Let us begin with the Guru Gayatri as usual. Om Tadparam Paryaya Vidmahe Jnanalingeshwaraya Dhimahi Tanno Guru Prachodayate Om Om Yoga Maharshi Dr. Swami Geetananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. So now I give the space over to Divya Priya to continue with the next part.
Namaste and Vanakkam, Swagatam to all of you, and thank you for joining in. It's really nice to see all of you, and the idea from our beloved students of this Parampariyai, the people that I really value, that we value, Sangeeta and Padma had come up with a wonderful idea and they had started it. So I felt that it could be continued maybe in a different way. And as I'm becoming a lover of the different slokas, I'm learning some slokas and I've already learned a few. So I thought that it would be a good occasion to share it with all of you. So first, my idea was just to chant the Hanuman Chalisa, as Saturday is very special for Lord Hanuman. And Hanuman Chalisa was one of the favorites of our dear Ammaji, and she wanted to hear it every morning. So it's also her favorite, and I thought it's a good start for this. And I don't know how many sessions I can go on, but I tell you, I'll do my best. So just listening to the Hanuman Chalisa is also nice, but many of you might not know what the Hanuman Chalisa is, who wrote it, and about it. So I thought that I can share some details about the Hanuman Chalisa, and I'll be having the lyrics on screen. So you can also see what I'm singing at the same time. So I hope you all can see a screen here. Yes? Okay. So welcoming you all to this global prayer for Ammaji, and our first one is we are going to chant the Hanuman Chalisa today, December 5th, 2020. So first we'll start with the Gayatri mantra for Lord Hanuman. So you can join me as we go on. Om Anjaneyaya vidmahe Vayuputraya dhimahi Tanno Maruti prachodayate. And always there are many versions, so we have a second one here. So let's do that also. Om Anjaneyaya vidmahe रामदूताय धीमहि तन्नो मारुति प्रचोदयाति. So now, what is Hanuman Chalisa? That's the first question to start with. So the Hanuman Chalisa is a Hindu devotional hymn addressed to Lord Hanuman, as I told all of you. Hanuman is a devotee of Lord Rama, as all of us mostly know, and that's his recognition, and is one of the central characters in the well-known Hindu epic, the Ramayana. Lord Hanuman's devotion to Lord Rama is a symbolic of the devotion of the enlightened individual soul towards the supreme soul, as we think of the Jivatma and the Paramatma. Hanuman is the son of the wind god Vayu. So that's why we say Vayu Putra, which is the son of the wind god, and is believed to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva. The word Chalisa, that's from the Hanuman Chalisa, is derived from Chalis, which means the number 40 in Hindi. So the Hanuman Chalisa has 40 verses in total. So if you see the format of the Hanuman Chalisa, the work consists of 2 introductory dohas, and then the dohas are the 2 lines at the starting, and then we have 40 verses through, and then 1 doha at the end. Why we chant the Hanuman Chalisa? It is believed that reciting Hanuman Chalisa helps to ward off evil spirits and negative energy. I think we have a lot of it nowadays, so we must get rid of it. It bestows protection from illness, adversaries, and adversities. Recital of the Hanuman Chalisa on Saturday helps reduce the negative effects due to Saturn for peace and prosperity. Reading the Hanuman Chalisa is beneficial if one wants to get rid of the karmic effects of the bad deeds done in the past. We must have done some bad deeds in the past, so we could believe in it, that because whatever we believe, it will come true. It's more than what we believe in. Hanuman Chalisa can help those troubled with nightmares. And finally, it is believed that Lord Hanuman can prevent accidents and ensure a successful trip, which is why many people have idols of Hanuman in their cars. So to see the context of the Hanuman Chalisa so that we get an idea about it, the first introductory doha starts with taking the blessings of the Guru and Lord Rama. The auspicious form, knowledge, virtues, powers, and bravery of Hanuman are described in the first 10 verses of the Hanuman Chalisa. Next, the verses 11 to 20 describe the acts of Hanuman in his service to Lord Rama, with the 11th to the 15th verses describing the role of Hanuman in bringing back Lakshmana to consciousness. As when the war was fought between Ravana and Rama, Lakshmana was affected very badly and there was a chance of losing him. And Hanuman knew how much Lakshmana meant to Lord Rama. So he then carried the Sanjeevi Mala, where we all know the mountain which is carried by Lord Hanuman in his hand, and he brings it all the way. So that's the story of bringing Lakshmana back to consciousness. And from the 21st verse, Tulsidas, who's the one that wrote this Hanuman Chalisa, describes the need of Hanuman's kripa. So that kripa is the divine grace of Hanuman. So he explains why we need to invoke Lord Hanuman. And at the end, Tulsidas greets Lord Hanuman with devotion and requests him to reside in the heart of his devotees. The concluding doha again requests Hanuman to reside in our hearts along with Ram, Lakshmana, and Sita, as the best way to connect Rama is through Hanuman, as wherever Rama's name is chanted, Hanuman is there. So next, here we have a nice photo. I just wanted to share it. So you can see that Hanuman always has Rama within his heart always. And there's a nice photo of Rama and Hanuman embracing each other. So now we will be chanting the Hanuman Chalisa, and I'm sharing the lyrics with you so that you can just go through it side by side. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार भरणो रघुवर बिमल यश जोदायक फल चार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर राम दूत अदुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराज कांधे मूंज जनेयु साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्या वाण गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिया भरत सम भाई सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीशा नारद शारद सहित ईशा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहांते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र यो जन पर बानो लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानो प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही चल दिलांगी गए अजर जनाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगमानुग्रह तुमरे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न क्या बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हांत के कांपे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय, बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय, बोलो हनुमान की। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपट निरंतर हनुमत पीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम भजन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, हाय प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय, बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय, बोलो हनुमान की। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म सरावे। अंत काल रघुपति पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन धरहि, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करहि। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की न्याय, जो शद बार पाड़ कर कोई। छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई, जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा। होय सिद्धि साकी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। कीजे नाद हृदय माडेरा, कीजे नाद हृदय माडेरा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय, बोलो हनुमान की। 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 जय बोलो हनुमान की, जय बोलो हनुमान की, जय बोलो हनुमान की। So we finally, after finishing the Hanuman Chalisa, the prayer is that we pray Lord Hanumanji to bestow good health and long life on our beloved Ammaji, and may everyone have joy, prosperity and wellness manifest in their lives. Thank you for being with us. So hope you all enjoyed this, and it was nice to have all of you together here. And it was such a boost of energy that all of you were here, that, you know, made sure that I was able to chant it. And I hope that you all receive the same, hope that all of you are blessed, and may we continue more and give all the energy that we have for Ammaji and for many of the other ones that need it in this time and in times to come. So praying for all of you and all your dear family members and everyone around the world. And thank you for joining. And we'll see you soon. And please be updated. We might have another one coming up soon. Not every day, but soon.
Thank you very much for being with us. This was a totally Divya Priya's idea, and so proud of her. So when the young hearts have the desire to help others, I think that is the greatest blessing. So let us conclude with the Loka Samasta. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. Thank you so much. May we all be blessed, and may we all be a blessing wherever we are. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Thank you.